Hello and welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to group like locations together into regions for easier payment mapping and inventory setup. Before you begin, it's a good idea to examine the countries in your system and identify any that will have the exact same SKUs, payment methods, and warehouses. Then you can group them into a global region. Let's get started by logging into the corporate office. Navigate to the Administration section Regions page. You'll begin this process by adding a region name. To do so, click the Add Regions button. The Edit Region pop-up opens where you can enter the region name. Click Save. The Regions page is now created with an empty Region Locales section. The next step is to add locales made up of countries and/or states in your region. To start, in the Regions Locales box, click the Add button to call a pop-up. Next, select a country from the drop-down. Select the checkbox for any applicable states. Click Set Locale when finished. Repeat as necessary for all countries in the region. You now know how to add regions and locales in the corporate office. For more in-depth videos and guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com, and thanks for watching.